Rabotai, now we'll start a new series of halachot also with regards to Hilchot Shabbat. Another one of the 39 melachot on Shabbat is melechet borer, the melacha of selecting. When you select between two different things, we'll explain the parameters of this melacha. Unfortunately, many people don't associate Chilul Shabbat with something so trivial. When people usually think of Chilul Shabbat, they think about lighting a flame, driving a car, turning on a light, but there's other melachot out there too. All those things are melechet of araf. There's other melachot, there's 38 other melachot in Hilchot Shabbat with that as well, and a person could be doing just as much Chilul Shabbat with a much simpler action. That's what the Mishnah Berurah actually writes in his Hakdama, that you have to know Hilchot Shabbat proficiently in order to know, what is mutar and what is asur, because very easily a person can slip up and do something very small, and it can actually be a terrible sin. So, the primary melacha of selecting on Shabbat is by using a keli, by using a vessel to separate between what we'll call ochel and pesolet, food and waste. For instance, if you use a sieve, if you use a napa to sift flour is the ochel, the psolet, the waste, is what stays on top. That's melacha deoraita. Or if you use a strainer, and that's called a kvara, to separate between the food and the waste. That's also isur Torah. Now, we're going to speak about this in coming days, Be'ezrat Hashem, but la halacha, food and waste, obviously, waste is something that's not edible or not good, that's for sure. But in terms of this halacha, in terms of the melacha of borer, it's not only that. Food means something that a person wants to eat at the present moment. Waste can also be perfectly edible food. Just what? Either a person doesn't like it himself or doesn't want to eat it at the present moment, that can also take perfectly good food and give it the halacha classification as waste. Be'ezrat Hashem, in coming days, we'll speak about these halachot a little bit more. Yom Tov.